Introduce highlight features or overview summary for TKMARS Video Doorbell, Wireless Doorbell Camera. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Easy to install and work. Installing your wireless video doorbell, no subscription, is hassle-free. Connect the doorbell and monitor via 2.4 GHz Bluetooth. No setup, no subscription, no monthly fee, no Wi-Fi or app connection required. Just mount the doorbell and monitor anywhere you prefer. Two-way talk. The doorbell with camera and monitor supports two-way talk between the indoor monitor and the outdoor doorbell camera. When a visitor presses the button on the doorbell, you can see, hear and communicate with anyone. Talk to people at your door. HD 1080p video and night vision. Our video doorbell camera wireless boasts a high-definition 8-megapixel resolution and 170 degrees wide-angle lens, ensuring every detail is captured. There's a LED night light that turns on automatically when someone visits at the night, guaranteeing visibility even in low-light conditions. 4.3-inch IPS screen and automatic capture or video recording. The doorbell camera automatically snapshots or records when a visitor presses the button and save it on the TF card, not included. You can view them on the 4.3-inch large screen clearly. Rechargeable battery. This doorbell camera wireless no subscription also achieves lower power consumption and fast recharge, 2 to 3 hours to full. Powered by rechargeable 1000 mAh polymer battery with standby time is 4 to 6 months, working time is 3 to 4 months. Weather resistant for indoor-outdoor. IP65 waterproof design, work stable in rainy, cloudy, cold and snow day. Connection distance is 165 to 262 feet or 50 to 80 meter if no obstacle. You can mount the battery doorbell camera to a fence gate up to 260 feet away from you. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.